He's helping scrub the wall behind his chair where he gets food sometimes. Are you all done scrubbing? That's a good job, bud. Thanks for helping. Will you scrub your chair now? Oh, thanks. Yeah, I know there's some yuckies over there, huh? Good job.